Wonderful.
Yeah, so what's wonderful is I'm introducing you guys to my makeup. Let's think of a name. I guess his name's Fred. That's what my grandma calls the boot jacks on the road. How that goes. Okay, so we're gonna have a burping contest.
Burping contest.
Yeah, and I think I'll let Katie go first.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
She's gonna win. I'll just tell you that right now.
No, I don't know. Sometimes you win.
Really? I don't feel it coming on. Never mind.
You're good. Okay, I guess no, it's my turn. Stop. Okay.
That was monstrous.
So, does monstrous win? Or does, kind of demonic sounding win? I don't know, guys. You tell me.
Please vote.
Vote on that first one. Go.
Oh, go again?
Yeah.
I knew that. That was really wimpy.
Yeah, I'm gonna win the second round.
Yep, that one.
Pretty weak. Beat that. Third round. Fight.
Digimon.
No, it's Mortal Kombat, man.
Yeah, that's you. Ew.
Pretty good, I guess. My turn. Third round. Fuck, I forgot what your burp sounded like.
Me too. We'll have to rewatch the video.
We're gonna have to rewatch it. Oh shit. Don't die, I love you. That calls for a fourth round. Creep.
I was just coughing.
Oh, I thought it was like a creepy chuckle.
That's really freaking out. I'm proud that that was wimpy.
Yeah, I know, that's really gross. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh,
You want to think of something creepy? This.
yeah, that's pretty creepy too. Right, so, burp number 4. See how it goes. I would be able to chug more, but it's pretty fucking cold.
It is actually.
Yeah, it kind of hurts my throat.
Go, 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 go.
You're done. Okay.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Hey, you actually won that one?
Yeah,
Yeah!
she won. I guess we'll just have to find out
Lucky grapes! Sorry.
who won overall.
Inside joke.
Well, how about this? You guys vote on the contest, put it all together. Trust me, we'll definitely have a lot more burping contests. Because
Yeah!
that's,
I'm sorry.
oh, you guys, you won 6